guys, welcome to What's in It Wednesday. Today we have a surprise for you guys, and if you're wondering what it is, well then we're going to show you right here. It is a Rubik's Cube! Alright guys, here we go. Oh, this is cool.
What the? This one piece has multiple colors.
Well, it's all fun. This is really cool, actually.
Well, I thought it was just gonna be like lines through it, and then like the lines will be able to move. I don't know if you guys get that, but I actually get it in my head. But it's really weird. It has like this thing on it.
It spins. Okay, so this is really cool because it like all connects to the center piece, and then all of the other pieces like connect to like where it's the cross. And if you see where this is, it's a like little corner piece where it connects into the other ones, and then you can twist it. There. Here's an example. So if you put the green like this and this, then it kind of makes like a line. So, we're just gonna try to put my blisters off.
They hurt because it is.
Okay, so this is what the inside looks like. It's basically just a circle where it connects, and you pull it apart, and then there's the line that goes in the middle, so all of the inner ones can, like the middle ones can connect, and then it'll pull on. Alright guys, well that's What's in a Wednesday for you. Leave a comment down below
What you want us to open up next Wednesday.
So yeah, like and subscribe. Bye.
And leave a big thumbs up
For my juggling. Bye.
Dun 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 da 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 da.